Hello friends, welcome back to Fix It With Beer. We've got a quick and little easy project for you today. We got the B1 service light. We know that the B1 service light for the Mercedes-Benz means cabin air filter, engine air filter, oil change, and lubricate the sunroof. Maybe a couple other things. They're gonna check your fluids and all that stuff when you take it in, but they're gonna try to hit you for 150 bucks for this engine air filter. Nice red, white, and blue Budweiser can, flavor of the day. Let's get started. Okay friends, here we are. Air filter is going to be right under this little cover. Now they try to make this real intimidating, guys, because they decided to go and flop a computer right here on top of the air filter. You can see obviously this is the air hose, air intake, air output, and then they slap a computer right on top of it so it looks scary and you got to worry about messing with it. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to do this where you don't have to worry about any of that. So this little clip right here just, holds this little wiring harness. And I just want to get that wiring harness disconnected and out of the way. And so that's easy. Now, you've got four, count them, 4 Torx 25s. And you'll notice I got this little extra long extendo screwdriver. You don't need it on the front side because the front side's easy, but wait till we get to the back. That's where they try to make it difficult. The tricky one is this guy right back here. You got to kind of move this hose out of the way and then snake your Torx down right there. Can you see it? There you go. Just unscrew it. It's real easy. Now, when I did this yesterday, I realized I had the wrong filter. I went to the old O'Reilly Auto Parts store, plugged the thing in. They sold me a Wix that was this kind of funny triangular one, and it was not the right one. So I brought that back. They didn't have the right one. So then I went over to my second favorite auto parts store, which is AutoZone. It's not a paid promotion. And they had the right one. So they like to sell you the Richard Petty STP. The number on this one is an SA 575. 18 bucks. What we do once we got this all loosened up, we just pick this guy up and just get it up out of the way, just enough to pull this filter out. And that's it. Couldn't be easier. This is not crazy dirty, but it's definitely kind of dirty. We'll just hold it up to this other one, make sure that it fits. And, ooh, it's interesting. Oh, wait a minute. It's gonna be, oh, look at that. This is Mercedes trying to make it difficult. That's got 2 dog ears on it and one's bigger than the other one. Those rascals. Well, there's a little bit of junk in there. Maybe we should run the vacuum down there real quick and get that little bit of junk out. So we're just gonna kind of give it the little lift. Then we're gonna slide it in face down. And just get it in there, make sure the top is kind of sealed all the way around. Oh yeah, we got it in there good. And then we're gonna get this top and just kind of wiggle it back into place there. Now we're gonna hit our 4 Torx 25, T25. Guys, I hope this helped you out. Hey, real quick, don't forget your little harness over here that we undid. There you go, just like that. And then you hit your 1, 2, 3. You're all set to go. Hey, hope this helped you out. Hit like and subscribe if the video helped you. Remember, you got your SA 50075. Here's your Mercedes-Benz cross-reference. When I got that STP this morning, it cross-referenced this exact number so that I was knowing that I was getting the right one. So stay tuned, maybe a little more Mercedes content. We'll have to see how it goes. Thanks for watching.